Hello people, how are you, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about what Kuailian is and how you can also generate passive income every day. Have you ever thought about what is the most profitable business of banks? Most banks have the main function of being intermediaries between parties. If one person sends money to another, the bank is in charge of carrying out and verifying the transaction. Banks obtain commissions every time a customer buys in a store, makes a transfer or withdraws money. It is a business that moves millions per day, but unfortunately it is a closed business. In any case, if you go to a bank to want to invest, they will probably hopefully offer you a profitability of no more than 30% a year, which is ridiculous considering that in countries like Argentina the peso is devalued by more than 40% each year. Here is where anyone who comes to do the same job as banks BU in cryptocurrencies, one in which already has the opportunity to invest in the master nodes that come to be, which allows us to verify each transaction within the cryptocurrencies to mount a master node that are made in the crypto world every day. Now let's talk about what interests us most: how much you can earn. Kuailian brings us different returns depending on your profile as a low risk and medium risk investor. In low risk, generated between 6 to 9% per month. Keep in mind that this return is in dollars, more specifically Ether. But well, let's clarify this point in brief. In the medium risk, returns range from 12 to 19% per month. Now what does risk mean? What is the difference between the two besides profitability is practically the difference between the two is the volatility, since in the medium risk master nodes there is a larger gap in terms of daily profits compared to the low risk master nodes, which is usually a little more even and conservative. Now Kuailian pays us this profitability for 1,000 days every day, including Sundays and holidays. The payments come directly to your cryptocurrency wallet and you can withdraw it at any time. Let us make an example. How much can you earn if you invest, for example, $1,000 in low-risk investment? If you reinvest your profits, it will generate an average of $100.18 a month in your first year, about $293 in your second year, and in the last year about $590 a month on average. At the end of the 1,000 days you would have a total profit of $10,597, which means plus you could get back your initial investment if you wanted to, or you could reinvest it to generate a new contract. 1,000 days in the medium risk license, taking the same example of $1,000 and reinvesting in profits. If you want to generate the compound interest pipes in your first year, an average of $325 a month, in the second year $1,675, and the last year an average monthly of $4,978 a month. After the 1,000 days, a total profit of more than 8,000% of profitability. And if you are surely thinking that it is very good to be true, I thought the same. In fact, that's why I focused on investigating what Kuailian is characterized by being the safest and most transparent investment company in the market. Both investment and profits are made through the Ether, and not only because they seek to promote the use of cryptocurrencies, but also because there is a smart contract that is a smart contract that is uploaded directly to the spoke, that a contract that shows everything that it does in a transparent way, where no one has the power to manipulate or deceive, since in the blockchain this is totally decentralized. This contract is in charge of ensuring you the 1,000 payments, since once established it is inalterable and insurmountable. The smart contract is self-executing every day and in each part FIAT, that is to say, Kuailian does not put and cannot lay hands on the money invested. In addition to which Gene has important stamps and guarantees since it is member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance and is audited by Deloitte. For this reason, it is the worst thing that could happen is that the crypto world falls completely and no more transactions are made. But to be honest, paper money is more likely to disappear than script or coins. Let's make a summary. Kuailian allows us to put our money to work from a low investment by distributing 85% of the returns obtained every day among investors and a 15% profit for the company. An investor ensures 1,000 payments and has the possibility of adding investment or reinvest with a new contract for 1,000 days at any time. Also, Kuailian, as a form of marketing, created a compensation plan for those who also want to generate extra income by recommending the company. It should be clarified that we do not speculate with the market. It is not forex trading. No, we think about prices will go up or down, and no day will you have negative numbers, since in any case you can obtain less profitability if the cash flow falls, but you will never lose your money. If you need more information and resolve doubts or would like to start, click on the link in the description to contact me and I will personally guide you step by step. Keep in mind that the best thing we can do is stop working ourselves for money and put our money to work for us, even if it is little or a lot in compound interest. It is the key for capital to increase like a snowball, increasingly faster and exponentially, and now it's up to you to add or keep looking.